Need help understanding the display on your Frigidaire dryer and how to select different cycles? First, check that the lint filter is clean and in place. Next, load the dryer. Leave room for the items in the dryer to tumble freely so you can avoid damp areas on your clothing. It's recommended to fill the drum 1/3 to 1/2 full. This also helps reduce wrinkling. Press the power button if applicable. Turn the cycle selector in either direction to scroll to the desired cycle. The indicator for your cycle will be illuminated on your display. Some models will show the estimated cycle time, drying temperature, dryness level, and options in the display. To select or deselect an option, press the button for that option. The indicator is illuminated when the option has been selected. Once you've programmed your settings, just press Start. If you forgot an item to your load, press the pause button. Wait for the dryer drum to stop, and then you can safely add the item, and then close the dryer door and press Start again to continue. Tip: if you need to change or cancel your settings after the cycle has started, press Power to shut down the dryer. Wait a few seconds, then press Power again to reselect settings. Don't forget to press Start once you're ready to begin. We're here to help. Check out your use and care guide for more information. Visit www.frigidaire.com or call us at 800-374-4432. That should do it. You got this.